class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Again, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, Mr. Ramos, can you please tell us the beginning prayer?
Pray without ceasing for us, Lord.
So, before you sleep, kindly arrange your chair and pakipulot ko yung mga karot sa ikaw. So before we start our first activity, I will present to you our class rules. So remember class, before you enter our classroom, remember this word that, because first L is for listen carefully, Q is for understand instruction, and C, cooperate actively, and K, give respect, and Y, your best effort matters. So, do you understand, class? Our classroom rules?
Yes, sir.
So now, let's start our first activity. So, our first activity is called Shake, Rattle, and Guess. So, the instruction is, first, look at the picture on the screen carefully. And second, observe the dancer movement, costume, and background. And third, guess what dance is shown. And four, to recite, raise your hand. And five, say the name of the dance lyric. So, do you understand the instruction, class? Again, do you understand the classroom, the instruction, class?
Yes, sir.
So, our first picture is this one. Raise your hand if you guess the test. Please, Aline. Valid. So, the answer is valid. So, very good. Next is anyone from the class? Yes, is marriage contemporary. The answer is contemporary. Very good, Miss Erich. And next is this one. Anyone from the class? Yes, Mr. Jason. It's jazz. So the picture is jazz. So I have a question, class. So what is the difference from picture 1 and picture 2, then picture 2 and picture 3? Anyone from the class? Anyone? Yes, Mr. Alexander.
So yung picture 1 is ballet, tapos yung picture 2 is contemporary. The difference between the two is yung ballet, more on explosive movement. Hindi naman ibig sabihin ko pag explosive is parang which is ginagamitan siya ng mga matataas na stunts or ng height. Then next is contemporary. Yung contemporary kasi pwedeng gamitan din ng ballet or any movement na mag-show ng emotions. Tapos sa picture 2 and 3, contemporary and jazz. Sa jazz, para siyang energetic, para siyang hip-hop. So the difference between the two, more on calm, yung when it comes to music, mas calm yung contemporary one, sa jazz is more on energetic.
Very good. So the next question is, based on the picture, what is the main topic we are learning about? Yes, Miss Cabrera.
Sir, based on the picture po, I think the main topic that we are learning about is about the
I have another question. Pansin niyo ba class na may pinakita kong picture is may stage S and the question is ano pa yung other term or other term ng genre? Yes. Right. So, our topic is all about the theatrical dances. So, theatrical dances are performed in front. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, di ba napansin niyo sa may picture is they have the staging or may pinaperform sila sa stage, and the purpose is not just enjoyment or participation but to express ideas, emotion, or tell a story through movement. Then the dance or these dances are carefully planned and choreography, music, costumes, and sometimes props or stage design all working together to create a complete performance. So gaya na sabi ni Mr. Ramos that other term ng genre is style. Then so that I present to you the theatrical dances, so I will show you the objectives of our topic. So at the end of the lesson, the students are expected to A. Identify genre, styles, specific techniques used in performance, and B. Perform the basic technical and expressive movement on a chosen dance genre, and demonstrating improved coordination, control, and movement competence, and value the role of creativity and discipline in the development of dance skill through active participation in the theatrical dances activity. Now, for our next activity, so before the next activity, this question is for the end of our discussion or our lesson. So let's answer this later. So our next activity is after answer. Instruction: the teacher will read the question and the choices after the question. Students will give their wild guess by performing specific action that match their chosen letter. So number 1, to answer letter A, student will stand. So sabi dito, pag letter A ang answer, the student will stand. Then second, if letter B, they will turn around. And number 3, if letter C, they will jump. And letter D, they will rap. So, do you understand our instruction, class? Yes, sir. So, our first question is, what does genre mean in theatrical dances? A dance costume. B, a category or style of dance. Or C, a type of music. And D, a dance floor. You need to act your answer. 1, 2, 3, go. Again, 1, 2, 3, go. So the answer is B. Very good. B, a category or style of dance. So, a genre refers to classification, gaya po sabi ni Ramos kanina, styles, and type of dance such as ballet, hip-hop, or contemporary. Hip-hop group dances based on shared characteristics and techniques. So, genre means that iba't ibang sayaw or iba't ibang dances. Then the next question is, which dance genre is known for graceful and precise movement? A. Ballet, B. Hip hop, C. Street dance, and D. Folk dance. 1, 2, 3. So the correct answer is A. So ballet is recognized for its elegance, controlled movement and precise technique, including proper posture and alignment. So ballet is a controlled movement. So hindi siya masyadong magalaw, hindi rin siya masyadong parang for example is parang kiti-kiti like that na you need a proper posture and controlled movement. Then the next question is, which styles or which dance styles uses energetic and sharp movements? A. Ballet, B. Contemporary, C. Dance, and D. Waltz. 1, 2, 3, go. Again, 1, 2, 3, go. So the correct answer is letter C. Why? Because jazz dance movement features lively, energetic, and sharp movement. So, can anyone here know how to dance? Or sumasayaw sa mga events? Anyone from the class? Sino po yung mga sumasayaw dito? Yes, Mr. Alario, kindly stand. From your insight po, ano po yung bakit the jazz is lively, energetic, and sharp movements?
From my experience or something perception about jazz. Pag jazz kasi is more on hyperlation, just like hip hop. Pero pag jazz is more on jumping and exaggerated movement. So mas hyper siya compare sa different dance po kanina na-present. For example,
I have follow-up question. So, ang tanong ko is, ang jazz po ba is more on lower body movement?
Yes po sir. Mas ano po yung baba kasi more on sa yun po yung mas active rather than sa upper body.
Yes, very good. Palapakan mo natin si Miss. So, jazz is a more on lower movement siya. And karamihan sa mga part ng jazz is ang gumagalaw lagi is yung paa. Then the next question is, which dance genre focuses on emotion and storytelling? A. Hip hop, B. Contemporary, C. Tap dance, or D. Break dance. 1, 2, 3, go. Then 1, 2, 3, go. So the correct answer is B. Contemporary. Because contemporary dance are emphasized with expression, emotion, and storytelling, allowing dancer to interpret movement freely. So, sino po dito yung sumasayaw ng contemporary dance? This is Erich. Sumasayaw ka ng contemporary dance. So, can you tell us kung paano yung the way na not a dance, the way na explain mo po sa amin why it is say that contemporary is emphasize that expression, emotion, and storytelling.
So, sa contemporary is sa mga sinasayaw mo, meron naman ng storytelling. Yung storytelling mo yun, yun ang mag-express na. So, then, sa
very good Miss Erich. So the contemporary dance is for expression, emotion, and storytelling, which is in every music, kailangan may storytelling and expression sa face, sa body, and your emotion. Well, then, next. Number 5, which technique focuses on balance and proper posture? A. Jazz technique, B. Hip hop technique, and C. Street dance technique, and D. Ballet technique. 1, 2, 3, go! So the correct answer is letter B. Because, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, na ang ballet is for proper posture and control, then maintaining strong posture, balance, and body, which are essential foundation for many dance styles. Now, for the next question is, why it is important to learn different dances or dance genres? A. To memorize step only. B. To become more flexible in style and skill. C. To avoid practice. Or D. To complete or repeat only. 1, 2, 3, go! So the answer is B. So, to become more flexible in style and skill, learning different genres help dancers adapt to various styles, improve versatility, and develop a wider range of skills. Now, the next question: what is a leap in dance? A. A slow walk. B. A jump from one foot to another. Or C. A spin in place. And D. A hand movement. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Again, sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3, go. So the correct answer is B, because a leap is a traveling jump where you take off from one foot and land on the other. It usually covers space and look like an airborne. So, I have a question. Ano po yung tatlong dance na binanggit kanina? Ay, apat na pala yun. Hip hop. Very good. So, in lead, these are the different dances, which is jazz is for sharp and energetic, stylish, and ballet for graceful control, floating, hip hop for free-rounded, rhythmic, and for contemporary, expressive, fluid emotion. So for jazz, like I said kanina, is for energetic and stylish siya. It means the jazz is like I'll example the step or basic step of the jazz or jazz in so which is, sabi dito, sharp. So ang pagkano ng sharp is for pagkano ng sharp. So makinig class. So ang jazz is sharp, energetic style. So mabilis ang hit po siya. Not like just a ballet is for, ang ballet po is graceful control. Okay. Like, control. And yung kamay po is nandito, pag ballet. Jazz naman po is dito lang, sa baba. It means that jazz is for lower body movement. Pagbalik with hands. So in hip hop, grounded, free, grounded, rhythmic, it means that the first one is free, kahit anong lift yung gamitin natin. Like for example, ang ginamit natin lift is for jazz. Kasi ang hip hop is energetic din, di ba?
Yes, sir.
And grounded or rhythmic. So, ang pinagkaiba lang po ni hip hop and jazz for the lift is for si jazz, sharp and energetic. Si hip hop, may rhythmic or pitik sa katawan in every steps. Sa contemporary, expressive, fluid, emotional. So, ang lift ko ng contemporary is, for example, is, I will show you the simplest step for a lift in contemporary. It means that sabi kasi sa lift, jump one foot to another. So, for example, the music is all about sad theme or sad music. So, it means that through hands and body language to lower body are magkakasama. So, ganito po yung example of expressive and fluid emotion of a lift. So, for example, is tumalon siya and tumakbo siya. Nagets po ba? Yes. So, ayun po, different or leap in different dances. Then next is number 8. What does the term turns refers to? A. Sitting down. B. Jumping high. C. Rotating the body. D. Clapping hands. 3, 2, 1, go! Again, 3, 2, 1, go! Kalimutan ko ang si pala yung jump. So, the answer is C. Rotating the body. So, a turn is spinning or rotating your body around on axis or either in place or while moving. So, the basic step of turn or mamaya papakita yung iba't ibang part ng dance, but the basic is turn, then turn na while moving. So, do you understand, class?
Yes, sir.
So, in different dances naman, jazz is sharp, fast, stylized, and number 2 is body, control, balance, precise, and hip hop, freestyle, rhythmic, and relaxed, and 4 is contemporary, fluid, expressive, emotion. So, in jazz, sino po kanina yung sumasayaw ng jazz? Di ba? Or Mr. Aris?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mr. Aris. Can you show us on how to turn on jazz?
So, based from my experience, sir, may different types kasi ng pagka-turn.
Pwede po dito sa harap para po makita lang kaklase mo kung paano mag-turn sa jazz.
Okay, so jazz kasi guys, yun nga, sharp iba yung member movement, especially sa lower body. So, sa pagka-turn po ng jazz, may different step in set. So, pwedeng double, dalawang pa yung lift and mag-ikot, just like this one. Dapat is exaggerated ka. And then, pangalawa is, isang paa lang siya. Then, yung isa po nakadiretso din isa sa taas. Ganun.
So, tama po yung sinabi niya. And, pansin niyo ba class that he showed us the sharp and fast movement of just on turn kanina. Di ba pagka ano niya is passive movement yung ginawa niya, then sa ballet is, alam natin ang ballet is control, balance, precise. So the turn of ballet is, kahit pag dalawang paa nakatiklay, then turn. Then kapag sa may jazz is for charter, then the contemporary is for, like I said, expressive emotional steps or movement. So in hip hop, freestyle, technique, and relax. So which one of you dance in hip hop? Yes, Alex. Can you show us on how to turn step on hip hop?
Excess represent.
So kahit dalawang part ng turn lang po yung pakita natin. For just to understand on how hip hop turn.
Sa unang play, may parang just lang din ng mabilis, pero ginagamitan siya ng step na yung parang hindi pa rin mag-play.
Number one.
Another one is yung nag-turn ka na gumagalaw ka.
Then we clap for Mr. Alex. Now, do you understand the different dances or the 13 different dances of the jazz, ballet, hip hop, contemporary?
Yes, sir.
So the next question is, what is a slide in dance? So A, jumping high, B, spinning quickly, C, standing still, and D, gliding smoothly across the floor. 3, 2, 1, go! So the correct answer is gliding smoothly across the floor. So slide is so yeah, slide in different dances. Smith that sa jazz, smooth, controlled, and style. So the jazz is for smooth, controlled, style. So ganito po yung style for jazz. So it means, papakita ko lang yung pinakamadali for us to understand this text. So ganito po, or gastoy, T, step T, jazz. So ganun po. Ganun din po yung pa, ganun. So ganun. Then sa balik po is which is for the pwedeng naka-lumot or slide palumot, then tatayo sila na nakatiklay for the balik. And hip hop, illusion, gliding, and cool style. So sa hip hop, ganito po yung basic step na slide, which means ganun. Ganun. Tapos, so left, right, left, right. So now, do you understand our the slide in different dances of jazz, ballet, hip hop, and contemporary?
Yes, sir.
If you understand, say naawatan me.
Naawatan me.
Very good. Now for the last question. Why are dance terms important? A, they make dance harder. B, they are only for teacher. C, they help dancers understand the instructions. And D, they are not important. 3, 2, 1, go! So the correct answer is C, because dancers provide a common language so dancers can follow direction clearly and perform movements correctly. So, kanina, di ba, may kanya-kanya silang dance step or same yung tawag pero iba't ibang movement yung pinakita. Just like jazz and ballet. Yung ballet is control and dapat naka-good posture ka. Sa jazz is more energetic and fast-paced movement. So, do you understand, class? Yes, sir. Do you have any question before we proceed to our next? If not, I have a question. So, how do different genres and techniques influence the way dancers expresses movement and meaning? Anyone from the class? Ang hindi magtaas ng kamay siyang sasagot. Yes, Jason.
So the question is, how do different genres, hybrids, genres, and techniques influence the way dancers express movement and meaning?
So, every dance kasi, every genre is may iba't ibang tawag dito, expression yan. May iba't ibang story na kung saan i-deliver. Like for example, pagdating sa contemporary, kinakailangan ng expression natin dito is mas emotional tayo and soft yung galaw natin. Unlike sa hip-hop, na dito is mas strong dapat yung presence natin. So yung different genres and different dance techniques ay nakaka-influence yun na sa lyrics may deliver natin sa kung ano yung gusto ipahatid ng kanta at ng sayaw. Kasi nga, bawat sayaw is may kwento at walang kwento at walang kwenta ang sayaw kung walang kwento. Thank you for Sir Jason. Tama po yung sinabi niya. So the different dances, genres, and techniques influence us through us or a dancer expresses movement and meaning. So, sabi nga doon that if you are dance, in every dance, there have a story. Then next question is, why it is important to understand common dance terms and steps when performing theatrical dances effectively? Anyone from the class? Yes, Mr. David.
It's important for us to know the common dance terms. Because as this common dance terms, it doesn't only rely about knowing the basics of dances, but also that will serve as our foundations kasi when creating modifications on the steps. And ayun nga, using that common dance terms is parang inaaral mo mismo yung sayaw, not only the steps.
Very good. That becomes our Mr. JB. Then the next activity that we'll do is growth, improve, and repeat. So instruction. Group number 1 is group students into 3 groups. So please check them out.
1, 2.
So this space is for the group 1, then the middle is for group 2, and the third is this part. Now, next is choose a dance genre, which is, nasabi naman natin kanina, yung apat. The folk, like the jazz, hip hop, contemporary, and the ballet. So choose one genre, and each group will practice basic step and technique of their chosen genre in 5 minutes. Kaya po ba natin ng 5 minutes?
Yes.
Then focus on technical skills like timing, coordination, correct execution of steps. Then 5 expressive skills with a facial expression, energy, style, and emotion. Then the last is identify at least 2 values shown in their dance. Then last, create a 1 to 2 minute performance showing improvement or showing dance after practice. So, do you understand our instruction class? Yes, sir. Do you understand our instruction? Trying to say nawatan me again?
Nawatan me.
Our time will start. Before that, I will show you the rubrics of our performance. So the rubrics is for technique, movement, accuracy, and control, 30%. Expression, energy, emotion, style, 25%. Humor, coordination, and cooperation, 25%. Value and fitness exhibition, 20%. So, naintindihan ko ba yung rubrics, sir? Nawatan nyo ba yung rubrics?
Nawatan me.
So now, kahit may palikot po yung mga upuan so that or move back the chairs so that it looks like a so ibuhat po yung upuan para hindi po namin.
Kaya sa inyo sa harap. Gusto mo? Mamaya yan.
You have, can you please go there? 1 minute left.
Kaya ako may second.
So you have 1 second left. Ayun na po. Ayun na po. Okay, receive. Everyone. Guys. Hello. Class. So, are you ready to show your talent? Yes, sir. So, the first group that show their talent is group 1.
Sir, we choose contemporary lang. Pwede ba lang? Ang pangalan niya, ayaw mo lang
Bakit yan?
contemporary. Nasa na kasi.
This one comes to you.
Yes, nasa
You have show us Now let us Syrian dance for the group 2. crew shown their talent.
Sir, excuse mo. Saan next meeting na ibibigay, sir? Or
Sa Germany.
Nasa shorts.
Airtime ha?
Sir, ano yan?
Ready, class? Are you ready to cook?
Yes, sir. 3.5
Now let's see the performance of 8.
The five boys.
So I just make sure seat proper position.
Sir, saan mo ka? Safety, sir. May kami sir kasi parang hindi lang malaki yung movie.
Palakpakan po natin ang performance front. Now, let's check your grades for your performance. So, what genres do you dance? Group 1?
Sir, contemporary.
Contemporary. So, in rubrics that the first is movement, accuracy, and control, which is nagawa naman yung step but hindi siya sabay-sabay and yung iba, iba't ibang movements yung ginagawa. So, your grades for the technique and movement accuracy for the group 1 is group 1 is 20% for the movement and accuracy. The second is expression, energy, emotion, and style. So, kanina sa group 1, napansin po ba natin na yung song nila is sad, but lahat sila is naka-smile. Diba sabi natin sa contemporary, ang contemporary is through expression and storytelling of this song and dance. So, I will give them 10 points. Then the teamwork, coordination, and cooperation, which is nagawa naman nila, so I will give them 25. Then the values and fitness integration. So, really, pwede bang magkaroon ng isang sa ka-group doon sa individual to present the or identify the values and two values shown in their class. Other group 1.
GB ko.
Yes, sir.
One value po na we use on our class is the value of teamwork. Kasi we can create a performance like that if kung may nagkaroon ng teamwork and cooperation with each other.
So, I will give them 18%. Iba of now 35. So the group 1 got 73%. Now for the group 2, which genre do you choose? Or so give us two values of hip hop that you perform. Anyone from the group 2? Yes, Alex. Two values. Which ang nakalagay dito is maybe show the teamwork, like teamwork or cooperative.
Oras ko yan, ito ang napakawin lang yung
The group said that the ability to Then for the technique, movement, accuracy, and control, which is nagawa naman nila in part of K-pop, so that I will give them 95 points. Then the expression, energy, motion, which is K-pop, and yung music nila is nakakatawa naman. So that, energy, so that I will give them 23 points. Then the teamwork, coordination, and cooperation, I will give them 25. And the values, fitness, integration is 80. Equal of 91%. For the group 3, which genre do you use? Contemporary. So, movement, accuracy, and control. I will give them 5. Then, for the emotion, which is nagawa naman yung part ni Rayaton for the not smiling on the contemporary. So that I will give them 24 points. Plus the teamwork cooperation, I will give them 25 points. Plus the values, fitness, and integration, I will give them 80 points. Because of so the group three got 82 points. So now, do you have any question or clarification to your in our discussion or in our performance? If none, I have a question. So, how did your group improve your technical and expressive skills during practice? Again, how did your group improve your technical and expressive Very good. Next. Process question. What challenges did you face in mastering a dance movement? Yes, David. What challenges did you face in mastering dance movement?
Sir, kasi diverse naman tayo mag-aalala sa mga steps. Nahihirapan din sa mag-cope-up kasi kung meron po faster sa
Very good. Then, last question before the essential question is, how did the activity help you develop both movement, confidence, and physical fitness? Again, what did the activity help you develop both movement, confidence, and physical fitness? Everyone from the class. you're smiling so that I know that you're
One way that we did to develop movement confidence is practice, to practice kung paano master namin yung movements na kailangan namin ipakita. Since every movement po may nagalaman ng mga details na kailangan sa step na yun. And yun.
Very good. Now the last and last question is the essential question is how does showing respect and appreciation when performing theatrical dances help preserve its meaning and purpose? Yes, Mr. Hans.
Very important because a while ago we discussed different genre. By respect to the different genre itself, it means you are preserving the environment sa dance na ito. You are respecting how those dances perform in the stage, how they respect the dances in the stage because today's generation dance is like as a dance. It tells our stories, express our ideas, or creativity that we have. So that's all.
Very good. Kindly clap for Mr. Ramos. Now for our last but not the least, is your quiz for today. Do you have any questions before we proceed to your quiz? If none, let's proceed to your quiz. So instruction, multiple choice. Read each question carefully and choose the correct answer by writing the letter of your chosen answer. Put on your white paper or yellow paper. One word. Yes. That's enough, the one word.
Lucky, ikaw na mag-check ng paper yun. Because you'll be seated to our time.
So number one. Done. Are you not number one? Number two? Are you done? Three. Are you done? Done. Five. Then the next is the true or false. Read each statement vertically. Write true if the statement is correct and false if it is incorrect. I will give you 3 minutes to do true or false. you are done, pass in front. Or that I can check later.
Sir, post ka daw ng first week. Post ka ng first week. Ha? First week. Saan mo daw sa Pinas?
Kindly stand, guys, for the close of prayer.